This video gonna show you how to connect scanning ACDP host with network through Android Hotspot. Make sure the Android system version is 7 or later, and the storage space is over 1.5 GB. Make sure there is a scan mark on the back of ACDP host. Open Settings. Click Privacy. Click Location. Make sure Location service is turned on. Go back to the phone's setting page. Click App Management. Click App List. Find the Mini ACDP app. Click Mini ACDP. Click Permissions. Make sure the location is on while using or allow all the time. Go back to the phone's setting page. Click Bluetooth, then turn on Bluetooth. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned off. Click Connection and Sharing. Click Personal Hotspot. Click Personal Hotspot Setting. Keep the hotspot name and password as simple as possible. AP band choose 2.5G headband. Open Visible to other device. Open Personal Hotspot. Click Connection Management. Click Data Restriction. Choose Unrestricted. Please keep automatically turn off Personal Hotspot when idle off. Open Mini ACDP app. Click Setting in the upper left corner. Click Initial Use Settings. Make sure Bluetooth and location service are turned on. When there is a scan mark on the back of ACDP host, click Yes. Scan the QR code on the back of ACDP host. Please manually enter the hotspot name and password. Click Start Configuration. After the connection is successful, the routine will automatically jump to the main screen. Connection information will show in the upper right corner of the home page. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.